this plesiosaur has been one of the recently must be drawn creatures I've planned out for quite a long time. Based on what I saw, their teeth are really thin. Doom. Drawing a lasmosaurus is very fast. Alexa, what is a lasmosaurus?
Elasmosaurus is a long-necked plesiosaur from the Late Cretaceous. It had a small head, long neck, broad body, short tail, and 2 long paddles.
Alright, that explains that. Now then, let's find out what my book has to say. Aha! This is it! It says that fossil finds were found in America, Russia, and Japan. Wow, they found it in Russia? Who would have noticed that? Oh yeah, I did. And done. There he is. I think this is how you draw a lasmosaurus. Here's the stripes. Alright, there he is. That's how you draw a lasmosaurus. Now, if you don't mind, I have a driving lesson in a half hour. I'll see you all after I get back.